Hi students, welcome to Narayana's amazing assignments for class 4 assignment number 18. Today's our topic is from Sadhana workbook NTOP level 2 from the chapter plants making and storing food, page number 15 to 17. Here choose the correct answers are asked. You are going to choose the correct answer and fill the option. Let us start. Our first question. Which of the function of the part labeled O in the given picture? A picture is given. Here we find letter O. What is the function of letter O which is representing here? O is representing what? It is representing stem. It is representing stem here. So what is the function of the stem? It helps in transport food and water, or it prepares food or absorbs water for the plant or produce seeds. It helps in transport food and water. So our option is 1. Moving on. Why is sunlight a basic need of plant? Sunlight is a basic need of plant to prepare food. Plant will absorb the sunlight and prepare its own food. So our option is plants need sunlight to carry out respiration. Plants need sunlight to break down food. Plants need sunlight to make water. Plants need sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. It is option 4. Now, third question. Weeds help in transport of. Weeds help in transport of. What they will do? They will carry the food prepared by the plant to the different parts and also carry the water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. So, our option is it helps in transport of food, minerals and water. So, our option is 1. Now, going to the fourth question. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in leaves. It is the one which makes the leaf in green in color. It is important to the green plants because what it will do? It not only imparts green color to the leaf, it also absorbs sunlight. So our option is 1. Now moving on, fifth question. Kitchen of the plant is in which part the food is prepared? At our homes we prepare the food at kitchen. Similarly, plant prepare the food in one of its part, which is also called as its kitchen. That part is nothing but leaves. So our option is 4. Now, sixth question. The equation below represents a process that takes place in a living thing. In a living thing, a reaction is observed here. That reaction is taking place. What is that? Let us see the reaction. Water plus minerals plus carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Food, oxygen and water vapor is prepared. The reaction is clear. We can easily identify what is that process. It is nothing but photosynthesis. So our option is 3 here. Now moving on to the next question. Presence of starch verifies that if the starch is present in the food, in the plant, it means that photosynthesis has not taken place. Photosynthesis has taken place. It has nothing to do with photosynthesis, none of this. Presence of starch is because of photosynthesis. So our option 2 is correct answer. Our option 2 is correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. A common test for starch presence is, to test the presence of starch, what we do? We take iodine and put it on the food. It can be a potato or rice or anything. So our option is iodine test, option 3. Ninth question. Starch turns iodine into, because of starch, what we see the change in the color of iodine. What color? It is reddish brown or reddish blue or bluish black or yellow. It is bluish black. So our option is 3. Here two statements are given. Statement 1. Green plants are called consumers. Stomata helps the plant to breathe. We know statement 2 is correct. Let us see statement 1. Green plants are called as consumers. Who are consumers? Who consume? Who eat or who will take or who are dependent. Plants are not dependent. They prepare their own food. So they are also producing the food. So the plants are also called as producers. They are not consumers. So statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is false. Only statement 2 is true. Our option is 2 again. Moving on to the next question. Assertion and reason are given. Let us see the assertion. The color of the slice of a potato when comes in contact with iodine changes to dark blue. It changes to bluish black or dark blue. This is assertion. Reason. Why? What is the why it changes is explained in the reason. The reason is true. Let us check it out. Check it. It is due to the presence of starch in potato. Yes, this is true. Assertion is true and reason is exactly defining it. So both assertion and reason are true. Assertion is true but reason is false. Option 1. Second option, assertion is false but reason is true. Third option, both assertion and reason are false. Both assertion and reason are true. Which is correct? Option 4 is correct. Now to a question. Statement 1. Trees bring down the temperature of air by evaporating water from their leaves. Yes, trees also evaporate water from their parts. Statement 2. Plants use oxygen to prepare the food. Statement 2 is false. Plants use carbon dioxide, not oxygen. So statement 1 is true. Option 1 is correct. With this, we came to the end of the session today. We'll meet again. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you and bye.